In today's video, I'm going to teach you how HubSpot CRM for beginners works. We'll start on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, open the CRM and choose Contacts. Think of contacts as the people you interact with, prospects, customers, or partners. To add one, select Add Contacts, then create New. Begin with the email address. This helps HubSpot prevent duplicates and automatically pull available details. Next, enter the first name and last name so your outreach can be personalized. Add a job title to give context for future conversations. For lead status, set it to New in this example, which marks the contact as someone you're just starting to work with. Add the industry as well. This field is great for segmenting later. When those basics look good, click Create to save the contact. Now move to Companies. Companies represent the organizations your contacts belong to, letting you view all related activity in one place. Choose Add Companies and create New. Enter the company domain and the company name. The domain helps HubSpot enrich the record. For industry, select Health, Wellness, and Fitness in this example. Set the type to Prospect to indicate this is a potential customer. Add the city, use your location in this walkthrough, then fill in the number of employees and the annual revenue to complete the profile. Accurate data here improves your reporting and targeting. Next, head over to Deals. Deals track opportunities through your sales pipeline so you can forecast and prioritize. Click Add Deals, then create New. Give the deal a clear, descriptive name your team will recognize. Keep the pipeline and deal stage as they are for now, and enter the amount to reflect the expected value. Set a close date. This is essential for accurate forecasting and time management. In our example, pick the 20th on the calendar. Choose the deal type as New Business, and set the priority to high so it stands out on your board. Before you finish, associate the deal with the relevant contact, and also associate it with the company. These associations keep emails, notes, and activities connected across records. Finally, click Create. By connecting contacts, companies, and deals, you're building a clean system that keeps people, organizations, and opportunities aligned. Keep your fields consistent, update statuses as work progresses, and your reports and automation will become far more powerful. And remember, you can edit any field later as your data evolves. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.